So I have been asked a lot of times how I made my Instagram account reach more people and got more followers. So here's the simple trick you can follow. Open your Instagram account, put the phone under your pillow, and wait for the Insta fairy to do the rest. If this worked for you, do like and subscribe. So jokes apart, in this video I'm going to teach you about how to grow your business Instagram account the organic way and also by a little external help. And I will also try to make this video as small as possible. So let's get started. Up on the list, the best way to get more profile visits and followers is by shout outs. This way you exchange audiences, you exchange shout outs, more people can view their stories and they eventually follow you if your content is good. Try to do 5 shout outs a day. Less than 5 will not work too much and the more than 5 will look spammy, so 5 is good. Similarly, you can ask someone to promote your account by a post and you can do the same for them. So this way you will get more engagement. Next thing you should know are hashtags. More than half of you might already be aware of them, but if your hashtag look like this, then you're probably doing it wrong. Instead of using a lot of hashtags and making it look like a spam, try to use 5 to 6 hashtags that are not so common. Instagram algorithm holds back your post if your hashtags make it look like a spam, and the common hashtag list won't hold your post for more than few seconds, so what's the point of using them anyway? Stick to 5 to 6 uncommon hashtags and try different hashtags every other time. Last hack on this section is to always post 2 or more than 2 slides of images on every post. Instagram wants user to engage us more time on the app, and that's why these kind of posts get more engagement. There are a few applications which you can use to enhance your performance on Instagram. I have handpicked few of the free ones, so if you are all new and don't want to put the money on the ads, you can try these. Okay, so number 1 is for scheduling posts. If you have a busy week around or you post every day at certain fixed time, you should try this website. It's called Later. I personally like this website to schedule all my posts because it posts with the least to none in the quality change of the images. It provides you 30 free posts per month and whatnot. You can create beautiful captions and you can reuse them by this function. So finally, we have interaction bots. For more people to know that your account even exists, you have to tell them yourself. We do this by interacting with them, by liking their content, by viewing their stories, or by commenting and by even following them to get their attention. Anything to reach new potential followers, right? By doing all this manually will take a lot of your personal time. That's why people hire social media managers who eventually use the automation system. But why do you even need them when you can do this all yourself? There are a lot of automation plugins and applications. I personally use a Python based open program. It's called Instabot. You can download it from GitHub. Here is how it works. When you click on this bot, it will start to collect the posts with the hashtag you have defined and will like them from your account while you can chill and watch a movie. Similarly, you can use this to follow accounts who have similar interests and they might follow you back. The last and my favorite type of bot is a story bot. You might have seen a view on your stories from a total stranger or even a celebrity, and it's a 90% chance that you might have even checked his profile, yet giving him another profile visit. And you might have even ended up following him for his content, of course. They all use these kind of bot to reach you. Now you know the trick and you can do this too. With this you can watch over 5 million stories per day and reach new potential followers. If you need a detailed tutorial on how to download and use this, please leave a comment and I will try to make one if I get a good response. This is my first ever tutorial, so just please don't be harsh on me. Leave your queries in the comment, I will answer every one of them. That's it, see you in the next video. Stay safe.